Good morning, you guys. It's Foxy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my skincare with you. As you can see, I have some peeling things going on here. This is not my skin. I just had this mask for the whole night. It's a collagen night wrapping mask from Medicube. It contains collagen extract and niacinamide. This was going viral all over TikTok for a long time, and I finally tried it. And this is my second time I'm using it. My skin feels really soft and good when I take it off. It doesn't hurt when you take it off. When it was the first time I used it, I only applied this mask and that's it, so nothing else. And tonight I applied this cream. It's Honey Glow Cream by I'm From. Really love this cream. It hydrates the skin pretty well, and I wanted to see how it will perform under this wrapping mask. And let me tell you, this is really nice. I love it so much. So these two in combination, I think it's really good. But honestly, I think any skincare product under this wrapping mask will work good, because it's just kind of locking in the moisture. So everything that you put in your skin, it just stays in your skin, and you get all of the moisture, all of the vitamins from all your skincare products that you applied at night, so you can see the full effect. And I really like how my skin feels right now. It's so soft and just want to touch it, you know. Now I'm going to use Mary and May Vegan Blackberry Complex Cream Essence. I love this one so much, and you need to shake it before use because this is a dual face product. Siri. Really love it. This one is kind of similar to if you tried Rhode Milk Glaze. Rhode works pretty well too, but honestly, for me personally, I prefer Mary and May more. And now I'm going in with Strivectin Multi-Action Super C Retinol Brighten and Correct Vitamin C Serum. Why do they always need to put so long names on the products? We are waiting for my husband's father, for my father-in-law today. He will come to visit us, and we need to go find some mattress for him, so he will have something to sleep on, you know. We don't have IKEA here. To IKEA, I think we have to go to Bucharest. I think it's some wedding outside. I don't know. Never mind. But we have some other stores with this stuff, so we will need to go there. Oh, I forgot to show you. I'm gonna be using Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. Honestly, my skin right now feels like I just put some butter on it, because, you know, it glides. My skin really feels super nice right now, but it doesn't feel oily. I mean, it really feels super moisturized. Next product is gonna be Moisture Sparkle Cream from Elizaveta Milky Picky. This is what it looks like, and it's super cute, super pretty. I really like Elizaveta packagings. Yeah, I think there's some wedding outside. Oh god, this is crazy. I'm sorry for that. This cream contains some little sparkles, so it's kind of gives you this a little bit of a glow. This cream can be super thick if you apply too much. Slowly add more and more if it's needed. And I'm gonna soap it all up with Carrot Milk Sunscreen SPF 50 from Bellflower. This one is Korean too. This is super cute. look at this little carrot. So since this is not a chemical sunscreen, this is a physical sunscreen, it can be pretty heavy if you have oily skin. My skin type is normal. It gets a little bit dry if it's too cold outside. If there is a super strong wind for the whole winter, it can get a bit dry. So I don't really have oily skin. I can use those physical sunscreens with no worries. I think this is the best condition of my skin that I have ever had. And even right now, and my skin is not dry when it's normal. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin. For my lips, I'm gonna be using I Heart Revolution Tropical Lip Oil. If you can see, I hope you can see, there's a little things inside. It's like some papaya seeds or maracuja seeds or something like this. And this oil, it feels pretty thick. And if you don't like thick lip oils, I think you will not really like it, but I really do. I like them so much. It has a little bit of a color to it, like this orangey reddish tone, and it looks so natural. I don't really think I will apply any makeup right now. I gotta go make some coffee for myself and for my husband. Don't worry about Siri, she already ate. She eats first, she eats before all of us. Oh yeah, and we ordered some chocolate bars, you know, those Dubai chocolate bars with pistachio cream inside. They are really nice, let me tell you. They are amazing. I love them so much. And Danny's sister wants to try them. It will be her first time trying those chocolate bars. And today we're gonna pick them up. So right now, what is our plan? We need to go to find some mattress for Danny's dad. And we need to go pick up the chocolate bars. So yeah, I gotta go. You, as always, have a wonderful day and take care of yourself. See you later. With love, your Foxy.